The mystery of the existence of life beyond the Earth entails many questions and incredible possibilities. With the passage of time and advances in technology, humanity has become increasingly determined to find answers to this mystery. As we open the doors to the unexplored depths of space, we are on the threshold of a new era of exploration and discovery. One of the most visible and exciting areas of this exploration is the search for exoplanets, planets orbiting a star other than our Sun. Our Milky Way galaxy is populated by billions of stars, and the likelihood of other planets with similar conditions for life seems high. Space telescopes such as Kepler and TESS have already discovered thousands of potentially habitable planets, and this is just the beginning. However, discovering exoplanets is only the first step. The main challenge is finding traces of life. Scientists are developing the latest methods and technology to find key indicators of biological activity, such as biomarkers in an exoplanet's atmosphere. For example, the presence of oxygen, methane, or other chemical compounds that might indicate the presence of life. They are also investigating the possibility of detecting radio signals of artificial origin that might indicate the presence of an intelligent civilization. In addition, researchers are considering other approaches. For example, sending autonomous interstellar missions to explore nearby star systems and their planets directly. This could include the use of nanosatellites, space probes, and even robotic missions on the planet's surfaces. Such missions would go a long way toward providing detailed data and direct observation of potentially viable worlds. The conclusions from our efforts to find life in space would be a huge breakthrough for science and humanity as a whole. The discovery of even a primitive form of life elsewhere in the universe would confirm that life is not unique to Earth. It will push us to a new understanding of our place in the universe and the possibility of intelligent life forms. However, despite the intriguing prospects, we must remain cautious and avoid premature conclusions. The search for life in space is a complex and time-consuming task that requires sustained research and cooperation among scientific disciplines and nations. We need to be patient and prepared for the unexpected, as the answers to these questions may be far beyond our current understanding. Thus, the search for life in space is a fascinating and exciting scientific journey that offers us endless opportunities for exploration and discovery. Whether or not we find evidence of life beyond Earth, each new discovery and step forward in this field brings us closer to the realization that the universe is a place full of mystery and potential. Today, we are at the most advanced stage of space exploration, and new technological breakthroughs, such as more powerful telescopes, interstellar probes, and advanced data analysis techniques, are stimulating our ability to discover more and more of the mysteries of the universe. One key area that is getting a lot of attention is the moons and planets in our own solar system. Missions to the Moon, Mars, and other planets provide us with opportunities to explore potentially habitable worlds in our immediate environment. The analysis of Martian soil samples and the search for traces of water on the Moon have given us valuable clues about the possibility of microbial life on these objects. It is also worth noting that the search for life is not necessarily limited to carboniferous life as we know it on Earth. It is possible that other forms of life exist in space, based on different chemical elements and processes. Such discoveries would completely redefine our understanding of life and expand the boundaries of our existence. The most important conclusion from our search will not only be the discovery of life in space, but also its impact on our philosophy, religion, and understanding of man's place in the universe. The discovery of even the simplest forms of life will confirm that life is not a unique phenomenon limited to Earth alone. It will broaden our horizons and bring new depth to our understanding of our own civilization. However, despite our best efforts and technological advances, the search for life in space remains a challenge. Perhaps the answers to these questions will remain a mystery for decades or even centuries to come. But it is important to maintain our passion for exploration and to support investment in science and space exploration in order to follow the path of discovery and push the boundaries of our understanding of life and the universe. In this way, the search for life in space is an epochal scientific adventure that stirs our imagination, provokes us to ask deep questions, and inspires new discoveries. Regardless of the outcome of our quest, it will bring us valuable insights into the nature of the universe and our role in it, helping us to better understand ourselves and our place in this amazing cosmic journey. At this point, there is no definitive answer to the question of life in space. Our search is still ongoing, and each new discovery brings us closer to the answer. Research provides us with a deeper understanding of how life can arise and evolve, and indicates that conditions for life may exist on other planets and moons. Observations of exoplanets and studies of extrasolar objects in the solar system provide us with valuable insights. The detection of biomarkers in the atmospheres of exoplanets or the presence of traces of life on other celestial bodies can be crucial. However, we should keep in mind that life in space, if it exists, may have forms and features that are still difficult for us to imagine. We must be open to unexpected discoveries and ready to reconsider our ideas about life. In conclusion, our desire to search for life in space is a fundamental part of human nature. Although the final answer to this question may remain unknowable in the near future, we will continue to explore and expand our understanding of the universe. Life in space may be the most exciting discovery in human history, and only time will tell what awaits us in the mysteries of the limitless cosmos.